Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today topic is about market cycle for intraday trade. Most of the time, after a trending day, a range bound day or a sideways day usually used to happen in the market. For example, suppose today market is trending on the upside, means uptrend with a bigger range, then high possibility that tomorrow we may see a range bound day. Market goes up and came down, goes up and came down, goes up and came down. Or suppose if today market is trading on sideways, it goes up little bit and came down a little bit, goes up, came down, goes up, came down with a smaller range. So we can see the range is too small, too very narrow, right? Then high possibility that tomorrow will be a trending day, either on the upside or on the downside. So now let's go back to the Nifty chart and we will check from the past history. As we can see here that on Thursday we are having a trending day on the upside. See, we are having a trending day on the upside on Thursday. Then yes, on Friday we have a range bound day. See, it came down, goes up, came down, went up. And then let's scroll back to the past history for some more proof. See, on 19th of April, we are having a sideways day with a smaller range. See, and then what happened in the next day? We see a trending day on the downside. This is how market cycle works. And then when I scroll back to the past history, as we can see here on the 9th of April also, we are having a sideways day with a small range. Then on the next day, that is on 12th, Monday, we have a trending day on the downside. Then let's go back. See, here on the 23rd of March also, we are having a range bound day. Went up, came down, went up, came down. Then what happened in the next days? See, we are getting a trending day on the downside whole day. So when you guys knew all this stuff, then you should know how to trade or what you will do after seeing this state of market. Right, on the 19th of March also, we are having a trending day on the upside, uptrend. Then next day, as we can see, we are having a range bound day. Went up, came down, went up, came down, went up at last. So that's it for today, guys.